Welcome back to Angel K TV. Today we're going to be talking about proportional relationships. Proportions are equivalent fractions. Now we have a question here, and it says, digging a trench in hillside, Garen earned 2 copper pieces per hour. Now they're asking us to fill in the charts to show how much Garen earned. Now we have 3 hours, 2 hours, 9 hours, and what we're going to do is our coppers divided by our hours. But first, let's pretend we don't know what's in here. So we have to find out what's in here. I remember they said Garen earned 2 coppers. So what we're going to do first is to times our multiplication. So 3 times 2 will give us 6. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 9 times 2 will give us 18. 6 times 2 will give us 12. 7.5 times 2 will give us 15, because 7 times 2 is 14, plus this one will give us 15. 8.5 times 2 will give us 17. 12 times 2 will give us 24. Now, we've times it first. Now, the next process is to divide. We're not done from there. Now, as you can see, 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. The same thing as 17 divided by 8.5 will also give us 2. Same thing as 18 divided by 9, 4 over 2, and so on. Everything in this chat, as I've checked, will give us the same answer 2, which means this is a proportional relationship. Now we have another question here. This table shows the relationship between the number of whistles made and the number of hours a machine runs. Is this a proportional relationship? They're asking us. So we have the number of whistles made in an hour, which is basically whistle divided by hour, whistle over hour. Now they already gave us the answer this time. We don't have to multiply, we just divide straight away. So we have 4 over 1 will just give us 4. Same thing as 8 over 2, 4, and as you can see, all of these numbers give us the same answer, 4, which means this is also a proportional relationship. Now we have another question. This table shows the relationship between the number of miles traveled and the number of hours ridden on a bicycle. They're asking us, is this a proportional relationship? So we obviously see the miles and the hours here on this chat. So remember, we don't need to times because we already have the chat here. We just divide straight away. And we have 15 divided by 1 will give us 15. 25 divided by 2 will give us 12.5. 45 divided by 3 will give us 15. 59 divided by 4 will give us 14.75. Now, as you can see, the numbers aren't quite the same. I mean, 45 divided by 3 will give us 15, same as 15 divided by 1. But 25 divided by 2 and 59 divided by 4 isn't the same. As you can see, they're giving us both different answers, which means this is not a proportional relationship. Now, we have a question here. As you can see, it's practice. And basically, all you guys have to do is solve this one and tell me if it's proportional or a non-proportional relationship. As you can see, the chat is over here. Remember, you just have to do 3 divided by 2, 6 divided by 4, 9 divided by 6, 12 divided by 8, and you just get your answer from there. I've already given you the chat. You don't need to multiply. Now, we have another question. As you guys can see, I did not give you guys the answers to this one. So let me just read the question for you. You have to earn 7.25 per hour working at the grocery store. Now the question, what they're asking us to do is to fill in the chat and explain if the relationship is proportional. Now, if the hours increase, will the pay also increase? And tell us your reason why. Now, as you can see, we don't have the dollars paid, which means you guys are gonna have to use this 7.25 over here and divide it. First, you're going to times it, and then whatever answer it gives you, you're going to use that answer and divide it by the 3, the 4, 10, and all of this, and the list of the hours worked. I hope you guys understand it. Those are your assignments, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Bye!